Hello from my video doorbell. Perhaps you've got one of these too.
Video doorbells and security cameras are among the fastest growing tech home improvement projects. Cameras from Ring and Nest catch porch pirates and people being very, very, very weird. He did that for 3 hours. What's not to love about connected cameras? Well, civil liberties advocates are getting concerned. An online surveillance network built into millions of entryways is called Big Brother, or at least Big Doorbell. And now police are very eager to get their hands on this footage. Washington, D.C., for example, pays people up to $500 to install video cameras in exchange for voluntary access to clips during investigations. Ring is making partnerships with police all over the country to access its neighbors' social network, where folks share video clips and chat about suspicious activity.
The Houston Police Department encourages the Houston community to download the free Neighbors app so they can keep up with real-time crime and safety updates.
Then, Ring also filed an eerily specific patent application to put Amazon's controversial facial identification software into its camera to identify people considered to be suspicious. Guess who owns Ring? It's Amazon. Most people are happy to help catch a criminal, and we're nowhere near the point yet where police can peer in anytime just to see who's coming over for dinner. But we probably don't want to build that either. Even with video cameras we control, we need rules for the road to not be the neighborhood jerk. So I called up lawyers, cities, and fellow doorbell owners to come up with a few ethical guidelines. Number 1, don't point your camera at the neighbors. This should be about securing your castle only. Keeping a digital record of every time somebody comes and goes is basically stalker behavior. You can use wedges to angle video doorbells towards your door, and some cameras let you create zones to limit recording to only important action. Next, let people know they're on camera. Put up a sign like these stickers used in DC to flag you're filming. While you're legally allowed to photograph people in public spaces, not letting them know is kind of rude. A sign might also deter a potential burglar or porch pirate. Also, don't keep old footage around, even in the cloud. It's hard to know today how old footage might be used or misused tomorrow. The best strategy is to just toss footage as soon as possible. Even the DC program only asks for 48 hours, though Ring's basic plan wants to hold on to it for 2 months. Next, share footage sparingly. Some people love posting clips of suspicious-looking characters on Nextdoor.com or Ring's Neighbors app. Most of us are not actually experts on what counts as suspicious, and too often people of color end up getting excess scrutiny.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat!
Focus on actual evidence of crimes. Also, tighten up your digital security. If someone hacks into your camera, you're responsible for exposing the privacy of a lot of people. Updating software, using unique passwords, and turning on two-factor authentication is especially important on cameras. Finally, remember, you and your family are the ones getting filmed the most. Surveillance can cause family tension, so err on less recording. There's only going to be more cameras and more invasive tech in the future. So it's up to us to use it in a way that builds a world where we still have some privacy.